This video series introduces practical data cleaning with pandas, handling missing values, transforming and normalizing fields, manipulating strings with regular expressions, and working with categorical types. You'll learn techniques to make messy data sets consistent and analysis-ready. We'll cover 5 essential data cleaning skills, from handling missing data to transformation to handling outliers and encoding to dealing with strings and rejects for text cleaning using vectorized dotster methods. So let's get started. First, we will learn how to handle missing data, a critical component in preparing data for analysis. Missing data is very common in real-world data sets. When reading a data file, we can find missing values in pandas, and they can be nan, Python none, or pd.na. NumPy.nan is common in float columns, none is treated as NA, and pd.na is a pandas sentinel that works across all types. For example, a series containing 1.2 NumPy.nan none and 0 yields isn't a results, false, true, true, false, and pandas treats none and NumPy.nan as equivalent NA values. So how do we handle null or missing values? ISNA returns a Boolean mask that's true where values are missing. NOTNA is its negation and is true where values are present. Call them with df.isna or df.notna. To remove missing data, use df.dropna axis 0 for rows, axis 1 for columns. To replace NAs, use df.fillNot 0 or pass a dictionary or an interpolation method. If the number of missing values is few, say less than 5% of a large data file, then we may be able to just drop them and still have some good data for analysis. The function dropna removes missing data by default. df.dropna drops any row with at least one NA. Use axis equals columns to drop columns instead. Use how equals all to drop only rows that are entirely NA, as this is a missing observation row. Or set thresh to require a minimum number of non-missing values. For example, df.drop2 keeps rows with at least 2 non-NA entries. In the example, only the first row remains after the default drop. Sometimes dropping values may not be the right thing to do, especially if the file is small. Fillna offers several ways to handle missing values. Pass a scalar to replace all NAs with a constant, for example df.fillna 0. Provide a dict to set different values per column, like df.fillna 0:25. Use method equal fill l or bfilled to propagate the previous or next valid value. Replace with column means using df.fillna df.mean. Use limit to cap consecutive fills, for example method if fill limit equals 2,